It has never been more important for Kroger store floors to be cleaned, polished, and honed for our customers. Kroger is now using Dymabrush on our automatic scrubbers. To be sure that this happens daily, our Kroger facility technicians are taking on a vital role with the Dymabrush program. The Dymabrush tools do an excellent job of polishing our store floors just through normal everyday cleaning. The Dymabrush diamond blades have a wearable substrate design. As the automatic scrubber cleans the floor, the diamonds wear away. These blades are replaceable. When the blades need to be replaced, it is critical to the success of the program that the blades are changed in a timely manner. For best results, there are two settings that are important when running Dymabrush. The automatic scrubber should always operate the Dymabrush tools on maximum down pressure. The more down pressure, the better the system will clean and the higher the gloss. The operators always need to run the scrubbers on medium water level. These settings should never change. Always maximum down pressure and medium water. As cleaners continue to clean the floor, the Dymabrush blades will wear. Kroger facility technicians should check the blades on the automatic scrubbers in each store one time per week to be sure there is color on the Dymabrush blades. If there is little to no color on the Dymabrush blades, the facility tech will need to change the blades. It is very important that the Dymabrush blades are not used when there is no color on the blade. As long as there is color on the blades, the floor will continue to be cleaned and polished. Each Kroger store that is using Dymabrush is assigned a Dymabrush maintenance grit. The first is the 1000 grit red blades. They are used for imperfect floors that are a bit rougher. The second is the Dymabrush 2000 grit tan blades. This blade is used when the floor is extremely smooth and polished. Dymabrush representatives will assign the grits that should be used in each store. Please check to make sure you put the correct grit in each store. To replace the blades, take both Dymabrush tools off of the machine. Clean the tools with a small stiff bristle brush and water, removing any dirt or debris from the black retainers and the screws. This will prevent the screws from being stripped. You should have Dymabrush 1000 and 2000 grit blade kits on hand depending on the grit that was designated for your store. To replace the blades, unscrew all of the screws on the black retainers that are attached to the brush block with a number 3 Phillips head screwdriver. Remove and dispose of the remaining blade segments on the tool by simply pushing them through the retainers. Once the old blade segments are removed, you will load in the new blades into the retainer slots with the flared edge pointing away or facing outward. There are always 44 blades that need to be installed on each Dymabrush tool. When completed, the bottom of each Dymabrush blade should sit flush into the retainers. When all the blades are inserted into the retainers, line up the 4 retainer quadrants with the correct holes on the brush block. Then tighten all 16 screws with the same number 3 Phillips head screwdriver. Be careful not to over-tighten so screws are not stripped. Once the blades are fastened, the tool is now ready for use. Place the tools back on the machine for the next cleaning session. Replacing the blades is imperative to keeping our store floors safe, clean, and polished. If you have any questions on the Dymabrush program, please contact Dymabrush at 855-527-7744. Thank you for your commitment to the Dymabrush program.